Back here in Connecticut, there are 57 new confirmed cases. But for the first time since mid-March, no deaths have been reported.
Hospitalizations are up by 14. That brings the total to 83 patients being treated at Connecticut hospitals. And medical workers performed more than 5,700 coronavirus tests over the last day.
So the kids may be in summer vacation mode, but parents are wondering what's going to happen this fall. Will the kids be returning to the classroom?
Caitlin Francis is back now with more on what the president has to say about all this. Kate?
The Trump administration is making an all-out push to reopen schools. Administration officials are calling the return to school educationally and economically vital, despite the spike we're seeing across the country in new cases of COVID-19. President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump held a roundtable discussion yesterday on the reopening of schools. Participants included the Vice President and Second Lady, administration officials, education professionals, teachers, and students. First Lady Melania Trump said the goal is to make sure the mental well-being of school-aged children is being taken care of, especially during the coronavirus pandemic. Meanwhile, during a remote House committee hearing, the head of the nation's largest teachers union said the race to return lacks the proper plans to keep students and educators safe.
We've got millions now facing overcrowded classrooms, trying to figure out how do you make that work coming back?
And this is just one of the concerns many people have about sending those educators and students back. As Dr. Anthony Fauci notes, we are, quote, knee-deep in the first wave of the pandemic. The president, however, says he'll be putting the pressure on governors to open schools back up, and top health officials seem to agree with that push. Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont has already announced the schools will resume with in-classroom learning in the fall with a number of COVID-19 provisions to keep students safe. I'll have much more on that coming up in our next half hour. I'm Caitlin Francis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.